Hello everyone! Today we're going to explore the delicious world of baked chicken thighs. They're absolutely out of this world. Using 2 pounds of chicken thighs. Rinse on cold water and be sure to trim off excess skin and fat. Pat the thighs dry on a paper towel. Time for seasoning. Sprinkle both sides with your favorite spices. In this recipe, I use multi-tool fly de coupe, poultry blend, and minced onion. By the way, let me know which country you're watching this video from, so I can see how far this video can go. Hello, Michelle Alder from United Kingdom, Wilma Respicio from the Philippines, and Mila Rojo from the Philippines. Thank you for watching. Once all sides are beautifully seasoned, both sides gently rub your seasoning, set aside and marinate for an hour. Crack and beat 2 large eggs in a shallow bowl. In another bowl, let's combine 1/2 cup plain breadcrumbs and 1/4 cup grated Parmesan cheese. Mix until combined. After you've marinated the chicken for 1 hour, it's time to dip it in the egg batter and the breadcrumbs. In a large pan over medium heat, include about 1/2 inch of avocado oil. Fry chicken until golden brown on both sides. Thanks for tuning in. Don't forget to like and share. Also, please subscribe for more delicious recipes coming your way soon. Cook the rest of your chicken. This is going to bring your chicken recipe over the top. Place the chicken thighs in a large dish and cover with tin foil. Bake at 375 for 1 hour. So there you have it. A fantastic recipe for juicy baked chicken thighs that will surely impress your guests. I have a dish that I insist you try. It pairs with this chicken thigh recipe bacon, wrapped green beans. See recipe in description below.